Hi guys, today I'll show you how to use Keynote in creating your YouTube intro. So here, just click the Keynote icon, choose the black template, click choose, and just remove this. And I'm inserting the video that I got from Pixabay. Where is it? There it is. And then click insert and drag the sides. I'm clicking the view and then click slide only so that I can see it properly. And there you go. There you have it. It's fit on the screen. Then I'm adding some text. I'm putting my YouTube channel name, Leading Learner. I just put that down and then click it. I'm changing the font into copper plate. I need to highlight it. Sometimes it doesn't work if you don't highlight it, but sometimes it works. So there you go. And then I'm clicking bold and we're gonna try to animate it. So these are the animations stuff, but I need to click it again to add an effect, and I'm using trace, so that's the trace. That's what I wanted. And I'm putting it on order 1 so that it will go first before the video. On the action, I put the blink, and then on the build out, I put the diffuse. So you can arrange the order here. So I'm putting the after transition and then build 1, because if you put it on click, it will not automatically play by its own. So you have to put after build 2. So you can be creative with that one, and then press play to see if you like it. Then save it by clicking File and then Export to QuickTime so that it will save as a movie, and then press 0 seconds here because we're not doing a presentation. That's next. And then put your title. Just put in tutorial, intro, or maybe tutorial, and then press and click export, and then it's saved on your desktop. Press X, and then we can edit it on the iMovie. I just downloaded it from my desktop and then drag and drop it to put some music on it. Okay, then let's watch the intro. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Bye!